Following its successful red carpet premiere on May 4, 2025, Elijah Anatole's locally produced film Heartfall is set to begin its general theatrical run at Caribbean cinemas this weekend. The film, lauded for its impactful narrative and high production standards despite a shoestring budget, will have limited screenings with tickets priced at $13. Heartfall has garnered significant positive feedback since its debut, with many praising its unique storytelling and poignant exploration of themes including men's mental health. Filmmaker Elijah Anatole, who served as executive producer, screenwriter, and director, expressed optimism about the public's reception.
So Heartfall premiered about two weeks ago or so, maybe 3 weeks ago, first weekend in May. It was a really good turnout. I think people really had a good response to the film. It got pretty much very good reviews. And now on this Saturday, on the 24th and the 25th, it opens right here at Caribbean Cinemas. We're expecting, a good turnout and people coming out to see what the film is about and what the talk has been about. So we're really expecting that a lot of St. Lucians will actually turn out to watch the film. Something different, of a different standard, of a higher standard, maybe comparable with other major low-budget films that you'd probably see coming out of the U.S.
The film, which delves into emotional struggles and finding love, particularly highlights the critical issue of men's mental health. Anatole emphasized the importance of this aspect, noting the film's ability to resonate deeply with audiences.
Every single person that I know would have lost a loved one at some point. They would have gone through some sort of, depression phase in their life. And so when you watch this film, it basically brings you back to that moment and makes you empathize with the character in terms of what he's going through. So it's really a powerful film in my estimation.
Heartfall offers a limited screening schedule with one showing on Saturday at 7 p.m. and two showings on Sunday at 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. Anatole urged St. Lucians to seize this initial opportunity to experience the film. The opening follows the red carpet premiere weeks ago.
We got a good reception. We were not expecting a huge turnout because obviously it's a premiere, it's an exclusive event. But the reception was quite good. The former Prime Minister was here on his anniversary with his wife. He decided to spend his anniversary at the premiere with his wife. Dr. King, who took part in the film, who has a critical role to play in the film, was also here with a huge entourage, and they all enjoyed the film. They all had high praises to sing about the film as well, and just regular other creatives who came out to support as well. The photography community came out as well to support Kareem Stanley, who's also a member of the photography community here in St. Lucia. So they came out to support and they were blown away as well.
Tickets are available for purchase in advance at the cinema and online via CaribbeanCinemas.com. Joachim Duplessis, HDS News Force.